In this tutorial, we're going to have a look at how to add a chimney onto our basic house. Okay, this is going to build on some of the skills that we've learned already. So you can see we've got our basic house with our pitched roof. Now what we want to do is we want to add a chimney. We want to make sure it goes straight up in the air. So as we learned previously, the blue axis is the key here. If we just simply draw a square rectangle on our roof, okay, and then just grab the push-pull tool, what you'll notice is that our chimney kind of goes off to the side and it's not straight up. So that won't work very well. So I'm just going to undo that. Now I'm going to leave this square that I started. All right, it's okay if it's not the exact shape I want my chimney. We can fix that afterwards. So I'm going to get my pencil tool. I'm going to start on this front corner here. I'm going to draw this front edge. All right. Now the key, remember, we want to go straight up in the air, and straight up is on the blue axis. So you can see there, if I pause for a second, it says on the blue axis, and my line's gone blue as well. So I'm going to click to end that line, okay, and we can orbit around and see that it goes straight in the air. Now, I want to come across and line up with this other corner, so I'm going to come down and let SketchUp know, hey, I want to line up with this corner. And now as I go up, you can see it helps guide me. See the dotted lines. And I'm going to bring that up. That red line, like we learned earlier, means that our line is perfectly straight. We're perfectly above this corner here now. So when we draw down, look, that line is blue because we're going straight on our axis. This gives me a shape to push-pull. I can now grab my push-pull tool and push in my chimney. Okay. Now that I made that rectangle a bit wide, so we can always use our push-pull tool to reshape it. If we get some extra lines we don't want, we can just erase those. Okay. For bonus points, you could add a circle to the top to add like a clay liner. Right? But that's how we get our chimney straight up in the air.